Hi everyone, Dr. Gilbert Lee. Today we're doing body contouring, which is one of the most popular procedures in America, liposuction. The main limitation though for liposuction is once you get into your 50s and above, you often are dealing with loose or crepey skin, sometimes with cellulite. And that becomes problematic because when you liposuction patients that have loose skin, often the skin gets looser as you take the stuffing out of the pillowcase. So what we have is new technology. It's on the InMode system. It's called BodyTite, Fractora, Morpheus 8, and the SAFE technique. All of those help to contract the skin to smooth out the cellulite. So I just wanted to show you, you've seen some of our other videos about this, but I just wanted to show you some of the tools we use. So in this patient, we're doing liposculpturing of the lateral and medial thighs, and in general, she has very loose skin with a lot of cellulite, and we want to give her a great result. So how can we simulate a result that's similar to a 30-year-old? Well, we improve the skin quality and the subcutaneous quality to make it like that of a 30-year-old. So we start with the BodyTite cannula, which is this. This little probe goes inside the skin, and the other probe is on the outside of the skin, and together they heat up the tissues between the two electrodes, and that heating causes a shrink wrapping of the skin. Then we'll use a tool which is called the SAFE cannula or basket tip cannula, and it just has these little basket tines on it, if you will, and that helps to break the little quilting bands that cause the cellulite dimples. And then the last thing we use is something called the Fractora or Morpheus 8 tip. This is, you've all heard of microneedling by now, but this is a radio frequency microneedling device. And what that does is it goes into the skin about 2 to 3 millimeters deep, and then each of those little tines or pins shoots electricity and heat through them to heat up the skin and shrink wrap the skin. So this device tightens the tissues underneath the skin. This device tightens the skin itself, and that allows us to treat and get the skin beautifully smooth, much smoother than if we were to do traditional liposuctioning. So that's what we're doing today, body contouring, but getting rid of the cellulite, all the ripples, the loose skin, and smoothing this out to make them look as young as possible. Thanks a lot.